Yeah, this is another wow moment for I just rebuilt my fuel pump, and gas was just pouring out of the exhaust, and so we pulled his carburetors, and they're boiling over there. But this is a fuel pump he just rebuilt. That right there is the part that mounts up to the block, uses vacuum and pressure to pump that diaphragm right there, to pump through the pump to feed the motor. But I guess he watched the wrong YouTube video, because that gasket right there would just allow it to suck gas straight from the tank as soon as you try to start the motor. And the most critical feature probably is the fact that that valve right there is, if he just rebuilt it, I don't know what happened there, but that's certainly, I guess it was just overwhelmed because it was sucking from the engine. But they have tabs on there to line up, and so welcome to Boating 101. That's not how you build a pump.